Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover WhatsApp deleted messages or recover WhatsApp deleted chats when I delete my WhatsApp messages or WhatsApp chats, but I can easily recover or restore my all deleted WhatsApp messages or chats. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your file manager. Go to your phone file manager. You can see file manager, open it. After that you can see open it. And in this here search Android folder. You can see Android folder, open it. After that open media folder, open it. You can see com.whatsapp folder, open it. After that you can see WhatsApp, open it. So first of all open media, and in this you can see wallpaper, WhatsApp animated, WhatsApp audio, WhatsApp backup, WhatsApp documents, WhatsApp images, WhatsApp profile photos, WhatsApp sticker packs, WhatsApp stickers, WhatsApp video notes, WhatsApp voice notes. And then go back, open databases folder, and remember in this here my all deleted WhatsApp messages or all deleted WhatsApp chats in this here, and in this I can easily recover or restore my all deleted WhatsApp messages or WhatsApp deleted chats, easily recover or restore. So let's see. So first of all open it, and then three dot line more, click here. You can see open in another app, select type. You can see docs, audio, videos, images. So in this time I can choose and open docs. You can see Google Chrome, file browser, TXT reader, itech viewer, HTML viewer. In this time I can choose any option. After that go back, and in this time I can choose and select my all deleted WhatsApp messages or chats. After that in this time I can choose send, and in this time I can easily share my recover or restore all deleted WhatsApp messages or chats anyone. And in this way I can easily recover or restore my all deleted WhatsApp messages or recover or restore all deleted WhatsApp chats without backup. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.